supposed to touch. Let me tell you. Let me show you. Yeah, they are video.
Nice, video.
Yeah. Video the chicken first, then me and chicken. Me and chicken. Supposed to be done. My friends, welcome to our farming. This is our farming you are seeing today. We have a good farmer here called Chris. Chris tell us starting this farming long time ago, as a 6 months later. You see, after 6 months we have like 2,000 chickens. He started with only 100 chickens. So when you see these chickens, I think there is some of them are 6 months, some of them are 3 weeks, depending on size. But if you can see here, there is many chicken that you can eat. Like this one, you can take it as a meat.
Very big. This is almost 2 kg.
Very big. I think it is well. I think if you can look at, this is more than 2 kgs.
Yeah, and 6 months.
This is for 6 months, imagine, eh?
And
it's a big.
Yeah.
You can eat.
And the females
also
has many children.
There is another one here. Yes, many children also. There is another one here. This one give us eggs. No, give us. There is another one there for eggs. Not both of them. There's some for eggs. Some are female. The rest are male. So when see this environment, I think it's good for farming. If you're interested, please, I encourage you today. You can start to do farming. A good farming, you can start to farm a chicken like this one we are seeing today, and you become a more rich, like a gentleman. People who are rich, like SK Macharia is a rich person that we know he started from farming. Now we have a guy here also farming, and we do well. In future one, he have billions here. He can drive even a car. He can do a good, better life from this chicken. So please, my dear friends, we do this. We do farming. That's why we come here to encourage you, our future. Don't stop. Don't sleep on the house waiting your husband to come. Please start something small like this. Then you can grow up and get a lot of money. Thank you so much, and I'm appreciating you today. Thank you.
Yes. Also, in adding what my sister here said, actually, don't wait when government employ you. You do something. Don't wait when your brother or your sister or your cousin give you money. You do something. You can start with small, and God will bless you. You do it, subscribe and share it to another group to see how they will build up their life. Let some people understand and get wisdom through this, that you can get a poultry, you can get a chicken farm, even goats, even sheep, even cow, anything like a farm. It can help you. Nobody tax you. Nobody tax you in chicken. Nobody tax you in farm. So you can do anything. Don't wait when government employ you. You can also use your hand to get even small, even from 10 pieces, 15 pieces, 5 pieces, 20 pieces. You can start from this, or from there God will bless you and then multiply. And now you are a big farmer. And I encourage you that God bless you. Watch our channel, African Crosswood, and continue subscribe and watch and share for other people. Thank you very much. I am Director Christopher Obinna,
and
from Nigeria.
Here also, I am Florence Kawera from Hatta. I'm Hatta in Nele, African Union.
African Crosswood.
African Crosswood. Thank you, International African Crosswood. Watch it, subscribers, tell your friends, and for your friends also to subscribe us, to watch it. Thank you so much.
Our movies will soon come and our comedies will soon come, and we will enjoy it and we are excited. Thank you very much. See you next. Thank you.